So after one day we leave Menorca behind us. So there were like 3 fortresses, 3 compounds that kept this bay safe from intruders. That's one. That's the biggest one by far, because it's also the corner. That's 2 on the island in the middle, and that's 3 behind it. Look, there's like a whole space there as well, with a watchtower as well on the back. So yeah. Pretty neat. Some defenses. Saw a pilot boat going by, and that's because of them. Oh, and another cruise boat. 2 cruise boats. What? And when the people are waking up, getting out of their beds, they're already in a new town, in a new city, in a new island. Look at that. And there's one of them is like the more expensive, like luxurious one.
Our left one is not the cruise ship.
Sorry? No, that's a cruise ship as well. No.
Dat klinkt wel als de naam van een cruise ship.
Ja, ik heb... So after one day we leave Menorca behind us. Going to Mallorca and going into the marina there. We're gonna meet the uncle of Koen, and we're gonna eat something there somewhere, and then we'll go to the marina again,
and tomorrow we will be heading to, yes, Segura de Calafell. It will be like a day and a few hours, so like 27 hours about. So I hope we're gonna scoop a little bit of that, but then yeah, we'll be there. Segura de Calafell.
Ah, look who made some tea. Thank you, Koen. Ah, Koen. Tea time. Tea time.
Let's get some tea.
Because it's like you see on my jacket, like, or my it's not that warm yet. Sun will get through. Sun will get through for sure. So we were just looking at Menorca. The wind, of course, is not there again, so we are motoring again. But this is Menorca. Look. So that's the end of Menorca, and then you have all of this. That's Menorca. That's Menorca. That's Menorca. That's Menorca. And then you see the end over there. But then you see above it, you see clouds. But only above the island. Look at it. Crazy, right? It's just only above the island. And then we have some thin clouds here. And we're going to Menorca, and there's also Mallorca. There's also some clouds, but not as crazy as this one. Look at it. We decided to go to Mallorca. So probably this is the only part that's has some rain clouds now. But it should be gone before we get there, but I hope so. I hope so. We're almost there. People, this is Mallorca. And we took the sun with us. Yes.
de eerste. A little bit tighter on the front. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You too? No. Oké. Ik ga nu even trekken. Hij moet al strekken nog. Okay. Yeah, but I want him to pull it a little tighter because we're going to... Wat zeg je? Ja, okay. I'm going to give it a little bit to the front. Ja, nu strak trekken. Goed strak trekken. En er komt nog een tweede mooringlijn zo. Ja? Top.
Die ook nog even goed strak trekken en dan...
Mooi. We zijn er. Live long and prosper. It's really nice. There's toilets and showers. I think I just saw that the diesel is a lot cheaper than in Italy. Look who's there, Koen. He's making the sign. And if it's 165, I'm gonna jump into the water. No.
Live long and prosper.